So you're going to want to stick with 2 chords for pretty much the entire track. Now do this to them. Add a weird counter melody that you can't really hear in the actual track. Find a super annoying flute and layer it with itself, except more annoying because it's reversed and pitched up now. Add a basic kick and clap. Add some super fast hats. Add an 808 that sounds like it's clipping way too hard. Finish it off with a SpongeBob soundbite, and here's what it should sound like.
Wanna stay here at my house?